My name is Jarryd Page. I'm originally from Northern Illinois, and I went to law school at the George Washington University Law School after getting my Bachelor of Science degree from the University of Maryland. I currently live in Washington, D.C., and I work at the Environmental Law Institute. I clerked with the Chesapeake Legal Alliance after my 1L year in law school, right before 2L. As a clerk, I worked on a variety of matters, primarily legal research on clean water related issues, such as waters of the United States definition and concentrated animal feeding operations, or CAFOs. My experience at CLA helped me build my network of contacts in the environmental law field. I think that's a crucial aspect in anybody who's looking to kind of pursue a career in environmental law. So not only was I able to work on a variety of legal research projects that really helped me hone my research and writing skills, but I was able to make contacts with folks in the field who I continue to maintain relationships with today. Well, I'm so glad you asked me this question because there's a lot of activities we did while I was clerking at Chesapeake Legal Alliance, and they included trips out on the river with the riverkeeper, and those were really memorable experiences, getting to go out and kind of see some of the water quality issues from a first-hand perspective. We also visited the Blue Plains wastewater treatment plant, which is a marvel of engineering, one of the largest wastewater treatment plants in the United States. And being able to see some of those places, some of those buildings, some of those processes firsthand really helped bring home the importance of the work that I was doing with CLA. Do it. Take advantage of the opportunity. Chesapeake Legal Alliance is a perfect place to do a clerkship, not only because you get those real important research and writing skills, but as I mentioned, you also get the opportunity to take some field trips and to be inspired by seeing how what you do really matters. I'll shout out two things. One, for those interested in adaptive management and the National Environmental Policy Act, I just co-authored an article with Professor Rob Glicksman from GW that looks at those two topics and the judicial reception of them. It was published in the Harvard Environmental Law Review if anybody's interested. I'd also like to plug for those who are interested in judicial education, the Climate Judiciary Project. It's an effort at the Environmental Law Institute to educate state and federal judges about climate science.